What's up, everybody? This is my 1980 Frost Beige El Camino. Got this car with my dad when I was 7 years old in 1991. We went to a large open parking lot to pick it up, kind of like this. When I turned 16, it became my hand-me-down daily driver. High school car, eventually college. I lived an hour away. So it was a daily driver, very reliable. In the year 2000, we had a 350, pretty much stock motor put in. It came with 267 originally. Decent motor, but no power. So recently I got this paint job, original, Frost Beige. Frost wheels, those are pretty new. Brand new spray-in bed liner. Bumper's isn't perfect. Little ding there, but that was my fault. High school. The interior is in okay shape. I mean, it's all original other than the steering wheel and some gauges there. Tack. 2002 Alpine stereo. Six by 9 speaker boxes I made in high school. I'm gonna definitely update the stereo. 12. This stuff's 20 years old or more. Anyways, dash cover. I did order a new dash pad, camel tan, so it's gonna match the interior. Headliner's okay. I'll mess with that later. Let's see, open up the hood here. So this is a almost stock 350. Just an Edelbrock carb and intake. Just been getting it going lately. It's sat for many years. New battery and radiator. So just been getting it back to healthy shape. Start it up here. No loud exhaust really, they're just turbo. I can't remember what they're called. Turbo mufflers. So this is my new project. Got off to a bad start. All new seals too, by the way, right here. Seals, all new rubber in the tailgate. Everything works good. Pretty clean. Anyways, I just started this channel, so I'll try to keep the updates coming along with the interior projects and engine. I eventually want to put an LS in it, but this one works good enough for now. Decent power, so I'm not going to mess with that now. I'll just get some of this interior. It's some rated to seat, new steering wheel. Cool. Hope you guys check in. Peace.